Hey guys, my name is Shaurya Shrivastava and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be taking on the challenge of trying to earn 25,000 rupees within 1 week. That is 5 working days. And I'm going to test my skills out in the stock market. At the moment, I have roughly 12 lakh rupees on my trading account. I'm going to try to grow my 12 lakh rupee trading account by 2%, that is for 25,000 rupees a week. Earning 2% within a week is nothing short of a big achievement. So I'm going to try my level best to do this, and let's head on to the table. A small disclaimer before we start. I'm making this video largely for entertainment and education purposes. So if you're going to ever use the information on this video for your own investments, please consult your financial advisor or go ahead and learn the subject before you go ahead and try out any of these things all by yourself. So for this challenge, I'm going to be using a simple strategy called the Iron Condor. The Iron Condor requires you to sell options one above and one below where the market is currently at. So the one above that we sell is the call option, and the one that we sell below is called the put option. So if the market does fall within this range that you defined with your call option and your put option, you stand to make some profit. If your range is really narrow, you're going to make a lot more money, but the probability of success is going to be really low because your range is very small. If your range is really wide, your probability of success is going to be really a lot more, but the profit will be a lot lesser. And if the market does move to either corner and break out of this range, you stand to lose a lot of money. Now at this point, if you have found the concept interesting but don't know what a call option or a put option is, you don't need to worry. Just hit me up on Instagram or just WhatsApp me. Both of these are found in the description of this video. I'll be able to guide you on how you can get started on options trading and learn from me in one of my workshops where I teach you options trading from scratch. Don't forget to like the video and watch the video till the end. So we're going to use this strategy to sort of try and make 25,000 rupees. So we're going to see if we are successful or not. We'll be starting the strategy on a Wednesday, that is the 20th. So we'll be starting the trades on 20th of October. And we're going to go on till 27th. That's 7 days totally, or 5 working days. So 20th is a Wednesday. Towards the end of Wednesday, I will start taking my trades. I'm going to count Thursday as day 1, Friday as day 2, Monday as day 3, Tuesday as day 4, and Wednesday as day 5. So 27th will be day 5. So we're going to see how far we get in 5 days on this strategy. So here we go. So as you can see, the market on the 20th of October, Wednesday, just sort of took a big dive like this, and which led to the premiums becoming really high. So when the market moves a lot, the available premiums just shoot up, and this was a great opportunity for us. So as you can see, I had to put in an upper bound and a lower bound in terms of values for the market, and really far off I've gotten some great premiums. So on the upper side, I've gone with the 18,850 and the 18,900. So the closest one is the 18,850. And on the lower side, I've gotten 17,500 and I've also taken 17,450. And as you can see on my portfolio here, after taking the respective covers as well for these trades, I've taken some buys as well to cover them. So entire combination has costed me roughly around 12 lakh rupees. On this 12 lakh rupees, it's showing me a max profit of somewhere around 35,000. So if the market does land up anywhere between these two values, which is a huge range, it's a huge range of nearly 1400 points, and anywhere between that I catch about 35,000. The goal is to get 25, and just within about 2 hours, this is the end of the day on Wednesday. You can see that I've already made 6,171. So the 21st of October, the market sort of like took a very heavy swing downwards and went back up. And net, if you really think about it, the market closed only about about 50 odd points lower from its previous day's close. So the market sort of being very central to our range when we have the upper bound and the lower bound fairly, like really far away. We're going to see option premiums really decay hard, and you can see that all of our cells have started giving us big profits. And since our entry was really good, we're actually seeing roughly 22,000 rupees in gains within one day, and we're really close to our target of achieving 25,000 rupees of profit. Today was pretty much no work for me, and I didn't make any trades at all. The initial setup is what we continued with. So guys, it's been 2 days almost into the strategy, and towards the end of Friday, it's approximately 3 o'clock. The market is somewhere around 18,125, and the market did move up initially in the morning and had a high of around 18,300, a low of approximately 18,050. But as you can see, after moving in this range, the market is still far off from our upper bound and lower bound. Both our call options and put options should have decayed quite a bit and given us good profit. So if we quickly look where we stand almost towards the end of day 2, that is the Friday, if I just refresh this, you can see that I've made approximately 26,000 rupees, and that's really amazing considering that was our target. We're going to try to catch more profit. The current strategy has a maximum of 35,000 rupees. My focus now has shifted to sort of trying to increase that max profit slightly, because the chances of us making money is really high right now. It's all thanks to the entry that we had, but what I'm going to do is the 18,850, I'm going to bring it to about the 18,700, right? I'm going to bring it closer, and that's going to be somewhere around that. That's the 18,700 roughly. And the bottom, which is the 17,500, I'm going to bring this up to about just a little bit more, to the 17,550. The reason why I'm very conservative when I bring the lower bound or the put options closer is because when the market falls, it falls really fast, and when the market rises, it rises at a gradual pace. So keeping that in mind, I have now brought my range a little bit closer, so we should bag a little bit more profit. And after adding in the changes on my strategy, you can see that our max profit has now gone up. Our max profit is potentially 41,000, and anywhere it lands between these two values, we should come close to this value of 41,000. At the moment, the strategy at the end of a Friday at approximately 3:30 is giving 25,000 rupees. So in 2 days, we've earned roughly 25,000 rupees. But will we be able to leave with 25 or more? That only time will tell, as we will exit only somewhere close to the expiry, which is Thursday next week. So as you can see, it's the 25th of October, and it's a Monday, and I have ended the day where my strategy has given me 31,000 rupees. So 31,000 has already come in. It's a small celebration with my Telegram channel where I put up all my trades as I take them. So for this weekly challenge, I think this is pretty much all settled that at least 25,000 rupees is definitely coming in within this week. So we had initially planned to end the trades on a Wednesday, but since 31,000 has already come in, I'm thinking I might end it a day earlier, and start planning for the week ahead. If you want to check out the trades that I take live, I put them up live, absolutely free on my Telegram channel. So the Telegram channel is called Trading with Shaurya. Do check it out. There is a link in the description. So guys, Tuesday, 26th of October, I've closed my trades for the 28th October expiry, and I have managed to close in 37,000 rupees. So 37,000 rupees, finally, we had a target of 25 and we have exceeded that significantly. On roughly a 12 lakh rupee account, we have grown it roughly by 3% within a week. I don't think 3% is possible every single time, but there was an opportunity and I grabbed it. I think somewhere between 1 and 2% can come regularly. There are many other strategies as well which could be used to do this. I've shown you one simple strategy. The main takeaway for me was that The entry was excellent, and because of the excellent entry, all of this was possible with bare minimum work. The only adjustments or additional trades that I had to make was on one day, which was on the Friday. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one to passive income, freedom and knowledge.